Alright, so for the camber kit, all you gotta remove is the rear two bolts that you see right there. For the DC5, the rear two bolts are here. You gotta remove this one. It's got the ABS on right there. The new camber kit, I'll show you guys right now. You mind handing me one? Hand. Huh? Oh, he's, no, that's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Let's put it. Oh, we'll go this way. The boy Andrew helping me out here.
What up?
Why is it that we're putting the anti-seize for?
Just in case of future you need to adjust it. You know, driving range shit helps keep stuff so you can adjust it nice and easy on the car and then not bind up.
Gotcha. So the ones that I went with were hard race, and these have the ABS bracket on the side. Very good quality, very stiff here on the bushing and everything. It's pretty good. So we're gonna be installing these for today, and that's pretty much it. They both have the ABS bracket on, so it's pretty good. Let's continue with installation, and hopefully we can dial it in, and then later on go for an alignment.
In the camera.
So we've started in the daylight, and we're finishing up. We're not even finishing up. We're halfway nighttime, because as you can see there, I'm super zoomed in. We're having problems with the not with the boats, but we're having problems with, like, it was too positive when we did it, so we had to come back a little bit, and we're just kind of measuring it by thread. It definitely has to get in alignment, but we're kind of just doing it like that. We're gonna switch the car around now and then get to the other side, put on the tire. I'll come back to you guys. All right, so we are doing the other side, which is, look at me, part two. We're doing the other side, or the second one, which is in the passenger side. We kind of did the measurements. We're gonna hear from, like, we did the measurements, and we obviously have to get it aligned, but we got the driver's side to be like straight flush. We measured it as like super straight flush with the car, but we don't want to be too like straight. We kind of want to give a little bit of angle, maybe like a 1 degree in the camber, where it looks flush, but it's got a little bit of that, you know, a little bit of camber, and you don't want to have it too flush. But anyways, the alignment is so spec. It's like so very tiny. The movements, I definitely still have to go get it aligned. Anyways, we're doing the passenger side now. It's dark, as you see, but that's the control arms, the camber arms that we were doing. The car needed it because these DC5s, when you do the camber on, when you lower them, the camber goes in way crazy. So let's continue on. This is there putting it on. We'll continue.
Drunk, I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high.
All right, so the passenger side is already on. The car definitely needs to get in alignment, so it's something that's gonna happen soon. But it's definitely looking a lot better. I just love looking at that front end with the lip, the you know, the badge, the black housing headlights. It just looks amazing. But before the vlog is over, I want to show you a little bit of Andrew's car and how everything's going with it.
City lights are shining so bright. All these empty faces, we don't care about them tonight.
Yeah, the button, the shift knob, that's new.
Oh, yeah.
New.
Bro, it smells so good in here, and the pedals too. It smells really good in here. What the hell do you do to it?
It's right there. Give him a shout out.
Who? Chemical guys?
Yeah, JDM.
Real?
Not that shit next to it. Just move the bottle.
Not this? I'm not just kidding. Point, man. This shit. Nice. Damn, it smells really good. Oh, some of the stuff that Andrew has done is he's got the Chasing J's button, got the Chasing J's shift knob, got the pedals. What pedals are those? A CTR?
It's a hybrid.
Oh, that's a hybrid one. Sorry, the hybrid titanium one, the new one that came out. What pedals are those?
Those are the CTR.
Those are the CTRs, right? The spoon wheels. Should we show them the front? Got the mirrors, of course. But also got the spoon lip on it. Oh boy, it looks really good. Back up and take a. How clean is this car, guys? This is the cleanest ZK hatch I've probably ever seen. And I come here and I've seen the car a bunch of times and I just can't stop staring at it because it looks so clean. Anything on the engine? Nah, engine is still the same, right?
Open it.
Engine's still
For now.
the same. Yeah, for now. We're not gonna spoil the we're not gonna spoil what we got coming for it. Oh boy. Well, no, I didn't see the carbon fiber thing. Oh, you got the, well, you did. You got the spoon, wires on it. And the cap. Looks real nice. On enthusiast. Where'd you get that sticker? Top Chef?
Yeah.
Well, nice. Spoon cap. Super clean. Shout out to Matt from ICB for the spoon lip. Always sourcing out the good stuff. Looks hella good.
You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.
All right, so the camber is already adjusted. We got it exactly where we needed to get it. It's about an inch. It's about an inch and like 7/8. But still, I'm gonna go to Apex and go check out the shop for the alignment, the camber for the camber. Why is this camera so zoomed in? There you go. I'm gonna go see if I could just do a camber adjustment, or maybe I just have to align the whole thing tomorrow. But we're gonna wash the car now. Here with a face mask.
Happy graduation, Anthony. That's his name, right?
Oh, that's right. He did graduate.
Happy graduation, bro.
Oh, that's right. That's right. Well, he's coming out tonight too, by the way.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. And he did post. He posted like a picture next to the DC5 with a diploma. But anyways, congratulations, Anthony. Anyways, so yeah, we're getting the car washed right now. We're washing it right now, and then we're just gonna head out, meet the people. Andy, everyone else is coming. I got my face mask and all that good stuff, so don't even come at me with telling me that whole social distance stuff. I'll see you guys now. Look at this guy and this guy living their best life. Well, it's been a minute since we vlogged. Shit, I almost shit. It's been a minute since we vlogged. Oh man, so freaking tired. I'm actually gonna head out. I'm on the way to the to the dealer to meet up the good people at Acura Honda Classic. We're gonna go for a ride out, and it's the last day of my vacation, so that means I gotta go back to work on Monday. But we're gonna go for a ride out, and we're gonna go hang out and do some car activity. So come along and hang out. Pulled over here at the beach. Going for that little drive, it looks amazing. It's a beautiful day. We're going on these, it's super hot. We got John there on the EK coupe, and then there's like a no dead end. So people are like trying to make a U-turn there. Leave it to John to get us in a no dead end zone. But anyways, beach looks amazing. We're gonna head out now to get something to eat. Got Mike over there with the Accord, Brian Drive. We got a good little crew, just waiting for Lewis now. I just can't get over this view. Miami's amazing, beautiful.
You showed me how to dare to love. So tell me what you're thinking of.